What slows down jury deliberations in a criminal case? Imagine sitting in a room with a group of strangers, trying to decide someone's fate. It sounds simple, but many things can make that process take longer than expected. When a jury is asked to reach a verdict in a criminal case, several factors can slow things down. First, disagreements among jurors are common. If some jurors strongly believe the defendant is guilty or not guilty, others might resist changing their minds. This can lead to long discussions or even deadlock, especially if jurors feel a strong sense of responsibility to be unanimous. Second, psychological biases play a role. Jurors often form early opinions based on initial impressions or the way evidence is presented. Once they have a certain view, they tend to interpret new evidence to support that belief. This confirmation bias makes it harder to change minds and can extend the time needed for deliberation. Third, social loafing can also slow things down. Some jurors might expect others to do most of the work, leading to less effort in discussing evidence thoroughly. When everyone assumes someone else will speak up or analyze, the group becomes less efficient. Fourth, stress and pressure from the judicial process can impact deliberations. For example, if a judge issues a dynamite charge, which encourages jurors to reach a verdict, it can cause tension. Jurors may feel pushed to decide quickly, which might lead to rushing or resisting the pressure altogether. The environment itself, with its unfamiliarity and time limits, adds to the stress that can delay decision-making. Fifth, the complexity and amount of evidence matter a lot. Criminal trials often involve technical details, conflicting testimonies, and legal standards like beyond a reasonable doubt. Jurors need to carefully evaluate credibility, reliability, and legal instructions, which takes time. When cases involve multiple charges or complicated evidence, deliberations naturally become longer. From a criminal defense point of view, these delays can be both a challenge and an opportunity. More time might give jurors a chance to question evidence and consider doubt more carefully. But it also means attorneys need to be prepared for possible delays. They should encourage jurors to focus on reasonable doubt and watch for signs of undue pressure or bias. Understanding what slows down deliberations helps defense teams better navigate the process and advocate for fair, honest verdicts.